What's up, YouTube? Back with another video, and don't mind the bad quality right now, but I cannot find my camera, and you know what happened to my lighting. So as y'all seen in the last video, I bought the stuff. Alright, it blocked my address. I'm so glad it did that. But I bought the stuff to clean my gun, and it arrived home. Crazy, stop playing with her. It's too small. So I'm gonna open it and clean my gun in this video. How did that not cut it? Whew. This right here is the stuff right here to clean my gun, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna just open it. Hold on. Ugh. Those Q-tips are smaller than it showed. Look at that, and look at the Q-tips themselves. They're small and pointy. Oh, never mind. Look at that. Alright. Ooh, they're rough. Oh, that smells horrible. Oh. It came with this brush. It's like a rough bristle brush right there. And this one is even rougher. It came with, I don't even know what this is. It's like rope. Like, I'm not even gonna mess with that. Came with the needle oil. Hold on. It's like, take this off. It's coming off very slowly. Yeah, I'm not taking that off till I clean the gun. And this is the spray lube that you spray on the slide. I guess we're doing a mini unboxing in this. Some small pointy Q-tips. These were the ones I thought that they sent me instead of the other one. And a towel. So let's get our gun. Got our gun. I hear my dog drinking water. He decides to drink water now. I'm hot because I turned my fan off because it's loud. So let's use the takedown pins. Just, okay. See, frame. We're gonna use the rag to clean out all the old oil or lubricant, whatever you want to call it. All right, I think that's enough. We're gonna hit the slide and just take out all that old oil. We're gonna take this out. I know I keep doing that, but like, I'm talking weird in this video, so there goes your spring and stuff. Just get all that oil. I thought a piece just fell off, but it wasn't. Just rub all that off. Now that you did all that, let's just unscrew this, find out how to do this. It does not. I'm cutting this from the video, but like, why? Move, Fraser, move. There we go. I have to push down. You can see, got the needle. Let's oil this baby up. Just add some oil right in here. So you can see, just oil everything up. This smells horrible, by the way. Like, let's get in here with it. Just get everywhere. Like, what does this smell like? I'm trying to think of something that smells like, but it smells so horrible. Like, it's not a pleasant smell. Nice and lubed up. Just get all that lube in this. Just oil this. Look at that lube. I'm pretty sure y'all just see them. Next, gonna lube up our hop up. Just drop. Now my Yorkie is making noise. Like I'm trying to think of something that smells like y'all ever had aloe vera? Like, not to eat, but like, y'all ever smelt it? Like, that's kind of what this smells like. Nice and lubed up, by the way. I don't really know what to do. So I'm gonna just lube it up. And this, I'm gonna just do all the sides in here. Yeah, really get all that lube up out of there. Well, the old lube. Oh! Vicks Vapor Rub. If y'all ever had that, that's what this smells like. It's horrible. Oh my God, I just got it. Look at how lubricated that is. Now what we do is we're gonna put our hop up back in here. Well, I'm gonna see how to put this together and I'm gonna be back. Okay, I did it. Guys, hold on. My camera was... I did it. As y'all can see. Now it's time to put the gun back together. So now hold on. I'm stupid. Put this in here. I believe, yep. Now that that's assembled together, we put this in. That. Fraser, what are you doing? Got our gun back together. Now let's just put her. give it a quick little spray. Now, just get some of that oil off. Lubricant. I promise to you guys, it smells like lube so much. Just spray it a little bit. I love it. As you can see.
Way better.
Yeah. Very lubed up though. It's fun riding that bike, huh?
Uh-huh.
I know it. Alright. Now it's time to get our magazine. Hold on, let's get our dog back. Back up further. You don't want no lube on your mouth. Move. Just get our mag. Get like up here. Got a top of our mag. Look nice and lubed up. We got our gun nice and lubed up. As you can see. Let's just put her in. Woo! No jizzy jams. Look at that. It used to jam to where I had to do that, but look at this. Look at that. So guys, I advise you to do this like every other month. And just clean your airsoft guns, your real guns, or whatever. And I'm gonna wash this towel, so I don't know what this was for, so if you don't, I think this is another rag. No, I think this was just to get in between the slides. Just drag it through the barrels, I believe. And yeah, I think this went smoothly. This is gonna be a long editing process, but yeah, guys, that's it. Look at my switch. Just moves gracefully. My gun. Woo! Guys, I definitely advise you to clean your guns, because this was a success. My gun is working way better. Better than I actually got it, because it wasn't that lubed when I got it, so you guys definitely should lubricate your guns. I'm gonna throw the toothpicks, well, the stuff like these I used, and I'm gonna clean my gun next month. So that's where I'm gonna end it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.
Damn, Biggie's OG salute me. A stylist can't even style me. The robbers probably wanna get me on my Lamborghinis. The Yankees turn in my city. They try me, I get it.